I've got this one deal, and sometimes like there's a TV part of the deals where it's like normally not a deal I would do, but it really sends a good message. So I'll put up the money, and sometimes they forget that they have to work, and I start getting these emails.
Right, they think
like,
it's over once they do the deal.
but like I have this one company, Takeaway. It's brilliant. It's just like this little specialized straw, but like square thingy that if you have the hiccups and you put it in water and you suck through it, your hiccups are gone.
They go away.
95% of the time. There's just going to be deals where I just do it because it's the right reason.